If you are a science nerd, ooh, I'm so excited for you because there's never been a cooler time to be a science geek. Eddie Whisler.
I know.
Hello, yes, right?
That's how it goes.
He's here from the Mosh, and I'm gonna kind of like defer to you, Eddie, on these photos because to me they look like just beautiful art. But this is actual space.
Yes, and a lot of work has gone into processing these images, but what we're going to look at is an image that was released in December, and a lot of scientific work has been done behind it, and it kind of changes our ideas about what it is that happens in star formation and planet formation around those. We thought we should see something, now we're seeing something new, and it is this picture that is changing our mind. So thank you, James Webb Space Telescope.
Wow, that was so Sheldon Cooper. I'm trying to really grasp everything you're saying. So it's changing our mind about what we thought we knew?
Yes, which is what we should be doing if we're doing good science with new instruments.
Right.
We thought we knew a thing, and now this is having us change some of the details about what we, so back to the drawing board on some things.
So we have to be open.
Of course.
We have to be open to learn.
Don't you have to in all things?
I do, and I also think it's really cool that you guys are doing, and we're gonna get to this in just a moment. We're gonna talk about this seasoned citizen event that you do so everybody can enjoy space on their, with their own peeps.
I love it.
But let's get, should we just go down the line?
Sure, so what I want you, this is an older image, still beautiful, amazing, another star forming region, some things to keep in mind, this kind of cloud, dusty, gassy clouds, new stars form in batches. We see thousands of these locations. It's the only reason why we know that stars form the way they do is by looking in at images like this.
Okay.
And so
he's leading from the back here.
This is a much more famous image made famous by the Hubble Space Telescope, and it's in here. It's called the Eagle Nebula, another one of these star forming regions, and it just looks like an eagle kind of with the beak and all of the rest. So there it is.
Phenomenal. We're going to look at some video too right now, and actually I think we might have had one more photo here. Did I? No, we're going to look at this video. Tell me what we're seeing, because that's stunning.
So I wanted to bring to life some of these images, and what you're looking at is a simulation made by scientists using supercomputers, and it takes 100,000, 200,000 years and compresses it in time, and they build in gravity, radiation, and all of the rest of it so that we can see these star-forming regions kind of come to life for us on those simulations.
Okay, and then this one, and then we're going to make it over here for one final minute.
Yes. And so what this is a close-up of that Eagle Nebula that we were just looking at a smaller image of, where inside of some of the most dense portions, this is where scientists find active star forming.
All right, so come on over. I see flower, and whenever there's a scientist and flower, I know we're going to get something pretty visual.
You're going to get something visual and messy.
While you're doing this, can you also tell everybody that if you're 55 and over, there's a special event coming up?
Yes, tomorrow, as a matter of fact. We have a series in the Planetarium called Planetarium Night Live, and it's made for guests that are 55 and older. We don't have any of the kids running around in that morning, and then we bring you into the planetarium. We have a special show, and there's coffee, there's donuts at the intermission. We ask questions. It's so much fun.
Okay, and what are we seeing here? I feel like I'm rushing you, so I'm committing you to River City Plus also after the show so we can talk more about
no doubt.
What is this meant to show?
So clouds of dust and gas in space take their shape.
Oh, no, you did not. I know you didn't just do that.
When stars come to, they form, they push out energy in the direction, then they open up the cloud of dust and gas. And a lot of what it is that we can see in, like when we saw the Eagle Nebula, we're looking at like blown out regions. So you can just do tabletop astronomy like this, just with a little bit of flower representing clouds of dust and gas, and then the movement of energy in that system.
That's so super cool. Hey, we're going to keep you around, like I said, for River City Plus, because we have so much we can do. And of course, you can always learn more at themosh.org. Stick around, more River City Live is coming up. Here we go. It's going to blow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's identical. It's the same shot.